Many new brands in India are choosing a direct path. This path is called D2C, or direct to consumer. It means they sell straight to people like you and me. They use the internet. They build their own websites. They believe this is the modern way to build a business. This approach has grown very fast in recent years. It feels new. It feels exciting. Many entrepreneurs see it as a way to start quickly. They see it as a way to control their own story, their own message, directly. These D2C brands often follow certain trends. We see many of them offering big discounts. They want to attract customers fast, so they cut prices. They also spend a lot of money on online advertisements. You see their ads on social media. You see them on search engines. The goal is to get noticed quickly. The hope is to grow sales numbers very fast. This focus on rapid visibility and immediate customer acquisition is a common theme. It makes the market very noisy, very competitive, with many voices shouting for attention. Why do brands choose this D2C model initially? The appeal is clear. They can talk directly to their customers. There are no middlemen. They can collect data about who is buying. They learn what people like. This direct connection feels powerful. It gives them a sense of control over their brand's destiny. They believe they can build a community around their products. This direct feedback loop is seen as a big advantage. It allows them to adapt and change their offerings based on what customers truly want, or so they believe initially. But a question starts to emerge from this initial excitement. Is this rapid growth truly sustainable? Are these deep discounts building loyal customers? Or are they just attracting bargain hunters who will leave when the next discount appears elsewhere? The high spending on ads eats into profits. It becomes a cycle. Spend more to get more, but earn less on each sale. This raises concerns about the long-term health and true foundation of these businesses. The underlying why of the brand can get lost in the chase for numbers. Customer behavior is always changing. People are indeed shopping online more often now. It is very convenient. You can buy from your home. You can buy at any time of day. The choices seem endless. Online stores offer a vast array of products. This shift was accelerated by recent global events. However, convenience is not the only thing customers look for. They also seek trust. They look for reliability. They want to know the brand they are buying from is genuine and will be there for them. This evolving landscape creates real challenges for purely D2C brands. The cost of finding new customers online is going up. It is becoming more and more expensive to advertise. Everyone is competing for the same online space. It is a crowded marketplace. Just having a website is not enough. Building genuine trust online without any physical presence takes a lot of effort and time. Customers are smart. They can see through aggressive marketing if there is no substance behind it. This makes it harder for new brands to stand out authentically. We have seen stories, perhaps you know some too. Brands that started with strong roots in local stores. They were part of the community. People knew them. They trusted the shopkeeper who recommended them. Then, the internet boom came. Some of these brands shifted all their focus online. They chased the D2C dream. They started to neglect the very general trade partners who helped build them. They thought the old ways were too slow, too traditional. They believed the future was purely digital, forgetting the foundation of trust already laid. This neglect of general trade carries significant risks. General trade networks, the local shops and distributors, have built trust over many years. They have relationships with customers. They are a familiar presence in neighborhoods. To ignore this network is to ignore a vast potential customer base. It means missing out on the credibility that comes from being available in trusted physical locations. It is like trying to build a house with only one type of brick. You need diversity in your approach to reach everyone effectively and build a solid structure. The desire for short-term gains is very tempting. Quick sales figures look impressive. They can attract investors. They can create a buzz around the brand. Deep discounts and heavy ad spending can indeed boost these numbers in the short run. It feels like progress. It feels like the brand is winning. There is often pressure, both internal and external, to show rapid growth. This pressure can lead to decisions that prioritize immediate results over the long-term vision of why the brand exists in the first place. This focus can be very misleading for sustained success. However, these short-term tactics come with serious risks. When a brand constantly offers discounts, customers start expecting them. They might never pay the full price. This devalues the product in their eyes. The brand image can suffer. It becomes known as a discount brand, not a value brand. Profit margins get squeezed very thin. It becomes a difficult cycle to break. The brand might find itself in a race to the bottom, competing only on price, not on quality or purpose. This can cause irreparable damage to the brand's long-term standing and perceived worth. Consider a brand like Lego. They have a very strong online presence. You can buy Lego sets directly from their website. But Lego also understands the power of retail partnerships. Their products are available in countless toy stores and department stores around the world. They maintain consistent pricing. You rarely see massive brand-damaging discounts. Their why is about inspiring creativity and play. They build their brand consistently across all channels. They ensure children and adults can find their products in trusted environments, both online and offline, reinforcing their core message. This balanced approach is key to sustainable brand building. It is not just about flashy online campaigns or chasing quick sales. It is about being consistently available where your customers are. It is about building trust through reliable presence and fair pricing. It's about understanding that a brand is more than just its online store. It's an entire ecosystem. The goal should be to create a resilient brand that can weather changes in trends, not one that is solely dependent on the shifting sands of online advertising algorithms or discount-driven traffic, ensuring it stands for something meaningful. So, what is the path to building a sustainable brand, one that truly lasts? One piece of advice, which platforms like Naivri understand, is to increase your visibility strategically. Listing your products on curated B2B platforms can connect your D2C brand with a network of verified retailers and distributors. This isn't just about another sales channel, it's about partnership. It is about finding those who believe in your product and can help you reach more people. This broadens your reach beyond the purely digital realm. It helps you find new avenues for growth and stability, grounded in real-world connections. Another crucial element is maintaining consistent MRP, maximum retail price. This is vital for building trust. It builds trust with your end customers. They know they are getting a fair price, no matter where they buy. It also builds trust with your retail partners in general trade. If they know you will not undercut them with constant online discounts, they will be more willing to support your brand. They will stock your products. They will recommend them. Consistent pricing protects your brand's value. It ensures everyone in the chain feels respected and secure in their partnership with you. Then, there is the deliberate act of pushing your products into general trade and exploring B2B channels. This means actively working to get your products onto the shelves of local stores. It means thinking beyond individual online sales. General trade offers immense reach, especially in diverse markets like India. B2B sales can provide stability and volume. These channels are not old-fashioned, they are essential. They are where many customers still make their purchasing decisions. They are where long-term visibility and accessibility are truly forged, day after day, in communities. Ultimately, consistency is the cornerstone of building a lasting brand. It is about a consistent message, consistent quality, consistent pricing, and consistent availability. Ignoring the power of general trade is a significant oversight. It is like trying to clap with one hand. The most successful brands understand that building a brand is about creating genuine connections. It is about serving a purpose. It is about being there for your customers, reliably, wherever they choose to shop. This holistic approach, driven by a clear why, is what separates fleeting successes from enduring legacies in the retail landscape.